We are live, Charlie. Yes, we are. Shall we wait for some people to turn up? Right, okay, we are here today with more. Let me just make sure I can get my thing up on there. We are here today with some more gifts for our group for Crafting for the Heroes. So we're just going to wait for a few more people or a few people to turn up, and then we're going to show them, aren't we, Charles? Yes, we are. Right, here we go. Right. You're a little monkey, you are. Yes, you are. Right, okay, let me just go and make sure I've got my chat, because I'll wait and see if someone sent a message to see if, let's just, right, okay, here we go. So, let me make sure I've got my chat, turn this down, I always do this. Right, okay, so hi Annie Jade Kerr, and hi Leslie. Thanks for joining me. If one of you could send a message or leave a comment so I can see if I've got it on my portal, because yesterday it worked on the portal, but I have got my phone just in case. So let's see. We have lots of goodies. We've got a great big box of goodies today. Gift mail for our group. Haven't we, Charles? Yes, we have. So let me just see if somebody leaves a message. So we have got lots of goodies. Ah, there you go. It's on my portal again. Brilliant. Okay, I can see it. Hi, Kathy. Right, okay, what do we have here? So first of all, let me just tell you, there is a giveaway on the group right now. It is only for group members that have pledged a gift or sent a gift, okay? And there are these two stamp sets. We've got this one here, which has some embossing folders with it as well, and it's a Christmas one. All you have to do is find the post. Hi, Janet. Find the post for this giveaway. Hi, darling. Hi, Leslie. And just leave a comment, and then I will draw this tomorrow. So this is the giveaway. So I know they're gorgeous, aren't they? Hi, Carol. So all you have to do is be a group member, obviously, and pledge a gift or have sent a gift in for a chance to win these Christmas stamps. Yummy, yummy, yum. Right, let me put them down there. So that's number one. Okay, so we have these from Wendy Laurie. She has sent some wonderful things in, and she's already sent things in as well. So, because look, she sent me this cat paper before, and I'm going to keep it for my journal. It's super cute. I know, he's just a monkey, Kathy. He really is. You know what? Every time I film, he has to be, whether I'm filming from here, you know, my tutorials, he has to look center of attention. So these are from the lovely Wendy Laurie, and she's already sent things in before, bless her. I love this cat paper that she writes on, so I'm going to keep that for one of my journals. She has sent some more thank you cards in. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? And just, I want to just give a wave and a shout out to my lovely friend and neighbour, Lorraine Percy, who she doesn't really, you don't see her much writing on the group, but she's here helping, and I took a big box round to her of all the thank you cards to put, oh, sorry, Charles, I just bashed him in the nose. And oh, I'm sorry, mate. I just hit him in the nose. And she's going to stick these in the card. So it's a handmade gift for you, with love and gratitude for everything that you do, from everyone in our Facebook group, Crafting for the Heroes. So that's going to go in every card. So what I'm just doing is, or what she's doing, I did a load of them. But she's helping me out because I've got so many other things. So we're just going to like stick that in the card, like so. So she's going to do all the cards for me. So let me put them there. I didn't mean to bash you in the nose. I'm so sorry. So look at that beautiful card. So Lovely, lovely cards. Oh, look at this one. How beautiful is that? Look at the birdie. Isn't it gorgeous? So, and then we've got another little thank you card. Look at all this little work that's gone into it. A lot of work. Just beautiful. So, those are the cards. And she also put these in. Look how super cute these are. Look. They're little altered. Hi Lou. Little altered paper clips. Look. Little birds on. And this one's got a little dream catcher. And look at these. Aren't these just adorable? So I'm going to be making some more journals or flip books and that. So these can go on the pages. Aren't they super cute? They're lovely, aren't they, Leslie? Oh my gosh, I love them. Do you know, I don't think to do things like this. These are just super lovely. Hi, Lou, my darling. Thank you for turning up. Come and see me. So those are from the lovely Wendy Laurie. And she has already sent some things in. She has already got some raffle tickets for the draw on Monday. But because she sent in again, she gets even more raffle tickets. So I need to add those raffle tickets in the book for Wendy. So I'll put them there so I don't forget. And then we have some more cards here. And these are from the lovely Angie Gordon. Some beautiful... oh, it's lovely to see you too, Lou. It really is. Honestly, it's lovely that you all come and see me. Look at these lovely cards. Aren't they beautiful? I hope that you're all well. Have you all been crafting? Hi, Claire. Hi, Melanie. Look at these. They're beautiful. Like an embossed, look, that one's a little embossed butterfly. And look at, excuse my nails. Look. Honestly, I love my nails, and they're just horrible at the moment. I can't. I had some old falsy ones that you stick on, and I haven't used them for a long time because I usually go to the nail place, and I got them out, and the glue just didn't work. So they were just pinging off everywhere. So I thought, you know what? Just never mind. Never mind. Right, there's another one there. Aren't these beautiful? These are from the lovely Angie Gordon. Oh, look at that. The flowers in the bottom. So pretty. Really super pretty. Thank you so much, Angie. Thank you, Wendy, as well. It's a gorgeous. Look at him. Oh, he moved. What are you doing, Charles? Oh, thank you, Lou. I look forward to seeing what you've sent in. The post lady didn't actually come today, which I was surprised about because she's been coming every day, bless her, but she needs a day off anyway. And they're not now delivering on Saturday, are they? I don't think, are they? I don't know anyway. Not normal post, they're not. So hopefully it will come Monday or Tuesday. But yes, these lovely, lovely cards from the lovely Angie Gordon. Right, okay, oops. Oh my gosh. Get in there. Get in there. So I need to put raffle tickets in the book for Angie as well. And this lovely box turned up from the lovely, oh gosh, what hair. Let me just, oh my gosh, my brain's just gone absolutely dead. Is it Janet Johnson? Oh my god, I'm so bad, aren't I? My memory is so bad. I'm so sorry. I'm just not. It is Janet Johnson. Janet. Oh, I knew it was Janet Johnson. What am I on about? This big box turned up from Janet Johnson, and wait till you see what's here. No post Saturdays now. No, I know. Oh, thank you so much for taking part and being part of the group. Honestly, I love you guys. Do you know what? I've made a new lot, a new lot of friends. It's a new family, and you guys are so lovely, and you're there every day, and you're posting and you're liking, and it's just lovely. Hi, Sean. It is just wonderful. But look at this. Honestly, the letter actually said, if I could find it. I'm not sure where the letter's gone. But Janet had asked and said, this in particular, could she make sure that this goes to a frontline NHS worker, which I know somebody who actually works on the COVID ward in Swindon. At the moment, we're not allowed to give gifts, or to the hospital anyway, but I'm going to be speaking to him next week, and to see how we can get some of these to the COVID ward staff, the NHS staff. So she has asked specifically, and there is also something else in here that has to really go to an NHS worker. But look at this. It's a bag, and look at that. Isn't it? Oh, thank you, Lou. Look at this bag. It is just gorgeous. I just absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, okay. Oh, not there, Charles. Daughter's lodger works on the COVID ward. Oh, okay. Well, she's probably going to be getting a gift coming her way, because the person I know also works on the COVID. Ow! Oh, they're watching you. See, true colours are coming out now, aren't they? Did you see that, everybody? I know, it's beautiful. So yes, Janet, this will be going to a frontline NHS worker. Now, she has made, well, get to the bottom here. Oh my gosh, let me just go, oh right. She made this journal, okay, and she said she didn't like it, that she wasn't happy with it. Oh, are you kidding me? You wait till you see this journal. So this is the journal, right? Thank you. Thank you on there. Honestly, it is gorgeous. It is just phenomenally gorgeous. And she said, oh, she didn't like it, or she wasn't happy with it. But look at this. Isn't this just absolutely stunning? It says, be your own kind of beautiful. Make art, leave a little spark wherever you are. There's loads of tags in here. Hi, Nikki. And then the littlest birds sing the sweetest songs. She's got so many gorgeous things in here. Look at all this stamping. And look at that. It is just beautiful and sparkly and just beautiful. It is just, I absolutely love it. I mean, look at the little pictures in here. Live with passion, laugh out loud, love deeply. And then she's got a thing here with some tags there. And then a bookmark in there. I love this journal. Oh my god. And then she's got all these like stamps cut out here. And just pages and pages and pages. I mean, look. It is just stunning. Look at the things cut out from cards. I know. Do you know what? It makes me quite tearful. Oh, sorry. I'm going to have a moment. The amount of work that you guys have done. I mean, look. Thank you, NHS. You know, I know that this is a really horrible time, and you guys are just amazing. I mean, this is just beautiful, and I can see, you know, just how much hard work you are all putting into this, and I know that we can do something very, very special. Kathy's just said, I love the idea of a journal, but never got one or made them. I just buy notebooks. Oh, bless. I collect journals. Trust me, I've got so many of them, and I need to write in them. Oh, look at the little bunny. See, Janet, you said you didn't like this journal. Now, I'm not going to receive this journal, an NHS worker will. You made me cry and well up, or nearly blub, but really well up. So imagine what that's going to do to the person who receives it. If I'm touched and overwhelmed by it, they will be. I mean, look at this, right? Look at these little banners that say thank you to all NHS staff and carers. Isn't it beautiful? And she said she didn't like it. I mean, there's just pages and pages and pockets and little tuck spots and things. It is just truly, truly stunning. I mean, look. It is just, there's flowers in here. It's absolutely just, honestly, breathtaking. I love it. Oh, postcards. Charles, who you always gonna, oh, look at this. What she's done to that page. Hi, Rachel. Hi, Suzanne. Suzanne's my other next door neighbour. Lorraine is that side and Suzanne is that side. They're my neighbours. So hi, Suzanne. If you wave to me out in the back garden, I can see you. Right, and then she's got this cute sort of thing in the back just for fun, which is like a little quiz as well. But absolutely stunning, Janet. It is just beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now, oh, excuse me, so I can get this done up. Put that there. There are thank you cards in here. So a whole stack of thank you cards. They're going to be going Lorraine's way to put the things in. And then, oh, look at this. Hi, Rachel. I haven't seen you in ages, honey. Hope you're well. And this is a gorgeous little tag book. I mean, look how gorgeous this is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rachel, if you haven't joined my group yet, come and join our group, Crafting for the Heroes. I'm going to start coughing. I'm so sorry. We are making gifts for our heroes. So if you want to join in, come and join in. But look at this lovely tag book. Hi, Corinne. I'm catching my breath now. I'm so sorry. Lots of little pockets. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's got a feather and it's got like a little angel on there. It's just gorgeous. I'm going to have a coughing fit, I'm sure. Isn't that just beautiful, though? It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Look.